One out of 100 deadly mistake that bloggers make is not promoting their blog website. They publish a blog post, they relax and wait for Google to do the whole job. So meanwhile, other professional bloggers are busy sharing their blog content on these platforms which I'm about showing you in this very video. So apart from SEO, there are other platforms that can actually generate you traffic to your website, to your blog website, to your e-commerce website the moment you post your link on this website. Okay, and I'm going to simply be revealing these 6 websites that allows you to get traffic from Taiwan countries, and all of this traffic are real human, they are not bots. So all you need to do is simply pay close attention to this very video. Even if you're monetized with AdSense, this is going to simply help you. If you're monetized with MonTag, it's also going to help you. If you're monetized with Hit Up AdSense, it's also going to help you. Okay, and all of these platforms gives you genuine traffic. So if you're ready for this 6 website, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your website niche on the comment section so I can actually help you on the best website for your own niche. Okay, so the first on our list, remember I showed you, I'm going to simply show you 6, and the last 2 are my favorite. Okay, so the first on our list, we have the Answer Secret. Okay, so this is a platform where you can actually get a lot of current keyword that people are searching for from the Taiwan countries. All right, no matter the type of niche you are into, this website is going to simply help you, give you the foundation of the type of content, and you're going to simply start uploading in your website for you to share it on this other website, which I'm going to show you in this very video. So remember, this particular one right here, which is the first one, is the one that gives you SEO optimized content ideas, like the keyword that are not competitive. Remember, if you're a blogger, you have to simply make sure you write on keywords that are not too competitive, right? Which means not everybody is writing about that. It is going to simply help you get the right people on your website. The competition will not be there anymore. All right, so how do you get that? You're going to simply come over to this very website, which is Answer Secret. You're going to simply go ahead and sign up, and they're going to simply give you tons of keywords that people are searching for every single day. On this website, you're going to simply be getting 1,500 free credit on the website, okay, which is going to simply help you make some research. As you already know, platforms like SEMrush, they have some limitation, but this one right here is going to simply help you a lot. Okay, when you make that keyword, then go ahead and write a content. If you have auto blog on your website already, you're going to simply go ahead and integrate auto blogging on your website, then use auto blogging to write your content. Okay, so when your content is ready, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and publish it on your blog website, or copy your link, that particular blog link which you wrote here. You're going to simply copy that. When you copy that, the next thing you need to do is to simply fall back to the second website, which is QUU.co. all right, so this is a platform where you can actually use to generate a lot of traffic to your blog website. Okay, and this particular website right here allows you to connect with a lot of social media platforms at the same time on one website. Okay, for instance, this is the blog you've already written, and you don't have the ability to start exploring all the social media handles around the world, right? Remember, we have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have Pinterest, we have more, we have Mix, we have a lot of them, Medium. A lot of these platforms, they are all social media platforms where you can actually post your content. But if you end up doing that every single day, you will get burned out. Okay, that is where this particular tool right here comes in. This is a platform that allows you to connect and grow your audience on Facebook, on X, on LinkedIn, and more. So if you have this in place, it's going to simply help you auto share your content across all of these platforms, which is going to simply spread your content across all social media platforms. Remember, if you're getting traffic from Facebook, you're also getting traffic from LinkedIn, from X. All of this traffic combined together in a day can pile up to 10K. It can pile up to 1K. It can also pile up to 5K. Your blog doesn't only get traffic once, it will continue to get traffic so long as the blog content is already there on those social media platforms. People will still continue to see them, and when they see, they will click and read your blog. And if your blog is already monetized and displaying ads just like this, then it's going to simply help you to get some tractions on your ad account. Okay, all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and create your content and use this to boost your traffic. Okay, so how about if this particular website is already auto sharing your content across all platforms, social media handles, and all of that? What will you be doing? You don't just sit back and allow all of these tools to do the work without you doing something. All right, so that is where the third tool comes in play. All right, the third tool on this very list, it is called Blog Engage. This is blogengage.com right here. This is a platform that's been here for many years, helping people to get a lot of traffic to their blog website, to their e-commerce store, to their apps. You can actually use this particular website to promote your app and get downloads to it. Even if you're monetized with AdMob, it doesn't stop you from getting downloaded, right? And this particular website allows you to upload your content. When you submit your content here, it's going to appear on this particular website, and the huge number of people that are visiting this website will see your blog content. They will engage with it. These are content that people are posting right here. Okay, you can see this one was posted 12 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 23 hours ago, and lots more. So if I click on this and I can actually go ahead and read, you can see some of these simple links right here are links that are going to simply redirect you to this person's website. Okay, so remember, you're going to simply write some few words and you embed your links just like this. You can actually go ahead and use the same strategy to get yourself traffic. Okay, so when I read this and I click on this particular page, if I click on this, it's going to simply redirect me to another website, and if I go back, I can actually see the post from Blog Engage. Okay, so remember, this is the main marketplace where you promote your link, and with this you're going to simply get new audience, new traffic, and also higher tractions on your ad network account, both on Astra and also on MonTag. Okay, that is the third on our list. So the fourth on our list is hackernoon.com. right, there are many posts for today. Okay, so this one right here was posted just today. You scroll down today, and a lot more. There are a lot of people right here. The large number of people that visit here are consumers. There are people that want to read content and get updated. All right, while the few are the publishers who provide the content. So the publishing section is not really competitive. Once you make a post, your post can pop up on this first page and people can actually see it and click on it. And on this very website, you can actually add audio of your content. Okay, if the person doesn't want to read the article on their own, they can actually go ahead and listen to the audio on this very website. Okay, and you're going to simply see some ad bound links on this very page. You're going to simply go ahead and click on this section that says write, but before you write, you have to simply go ahead and sign up your account and log into your account before you start writing. Okay, and when you post your content, then inside of this content on this video website, since this website is the one giving us traffic, you're going to simply go ahead and embed some links, and with that you're going to simply be getting yourself some good traffic from the Taiwan countries. So that is the fourth one. The fifth one on our list, we have the ghost.org. all right, so before we continue, all of these websites which I'm showing you right now are going to simply help you get more backlinks to your shelf. All right, so remember, the more you publish your content in all of these websites, the more your link compile on their website. Okay, and these websites are going to simply turn to backlinks for your website, which is going to simply give your own website more authority on the search engine. All right, it will help you to rank higher on search engine, to tell Google that yes, people are trusting this website, that is why they are recommending them on their own personal blog. All right, you're going to simply get more backlinks to your shelf and also increase your SEO rankings. All right, the fifth on our list, which is this ghost.org, is the one I like so much. This one does not only give you traffic, it also helps you to build business around your traffic. Okay, which means if you get people's attention, you can actually go ahead and monetize that attention. So on the dashboard, you can actually go ahead and publish and sell your content. Okay, you can lock your content for a specific amount. This website is getting a lot of traffic every single day, and all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and create your account, become a publisher on this very platform. You create, you share, you grow your business. So remember, all of this platform requires you to have a standard blog website, not just a free blog that doesn't have anything to offer with limitations and all of that. Okay, if you want to turn this to a real business, you just need to go ahead and get yourself a standard blog website and make sure that your developer gets this website optimized for on-page SEO, off-page SEO. Construct all of the things that need, and also embed some good plugins with premium features for SEO and for rankings. Okay, so if you don't have a developer that can handle all of these things, you can simply go ahead and join us on the Telegram channel. My team are going to simply build and monetize your blog website for you. All right, and also integrate some codings and scripts that can actually help you filter traffic that comes from all of these websites. Okay, which means you're going to simply be getting original traffic, not bot traffic. That is what my team are going to simply help you achieve. When you get yourself a website, start publishing your content with auto blogging, because they're going to simply integrate that as well for you. So the last on our list, which is one of the best I like so much, is hashnode.com. right, so this is a platform for bloggers in the tech niche. All right, if you have a tech blog, this is also going to help you. You just go ahead and sign up on this very platform and get this done for yourself. And all of these websites are basically free, and most of these ones that are paid, you can actually use their free version to run your stuff. You have to make sure that the ad placement on your website is 100% optimized, so that you won't be getting a lot of this traffic and you'll still be having low CPM on your website. So if my team are doing this, they're going to simply optimize everything for you. And all of these platforms right here are basically getting their traffic from the Taiwan country. I know the reason why I didn't give you the website that are all well known, because all those well-known websites are already saturated. Some of them don't allow you to post content there, some of them don't allow you to add link and all of that. Okay, so these ones right here are the ones that are going to simply accept you, and you're going to simply be getting yourself higher traffic. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Right, so I've already created a forum, a padded vibes forum, where you can actually learn together on Telegram. Right, so if you've been on Telegram, on our WhatsApp, you know the update that is going on right there. Simply go ahead and join us. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn how to start a blog website that generates traffic, the video showing on screen right now is going to simply help you to achieve that. Okay, see you in that very video.